everyone, and good afternoon. Robin Cooper here, and today's song is called Another Time, and the stage is set up like a window into a different world, and Polly and Bandit are going to be singing this one today. I want to invite you to the YouTube channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. Please subscribe, and as always, I want to ask you to please share with a friend. And as always, I'd like to thank you. Thank you for your time and for your views and for your comments and for your support. I really, really appreciate it. You just don't know what it means. That being said, one of the things that I'd like to do, hopefully this week, is actually show you how I lay down all the music, all the different parts. So I'll be working on that this week, where I sit in front of the keyboard and kind of show you a little bit about how my brain works and how quickly I can lay down each pattern and have it in sync with one another to give it the sounds that you are hearing, and vocals as well. And it takes about 30 to 45 minutes, somewhere around there. So I'll hopefully have that done for you this week so you can kind of view and watch me as I create. Maybe that would be interesting. Again, the mind into an autistic girl, so give you a little bit more information. With the songs, I have written a lot of music. I got the recording system about a year ago, 2 years ago, and I've been recording on it ever since, and I don't know, there's probably 1,000 songs or something like that. A lot, nevertheless, and I do remember each and every one of them, and I can play them. I can go back and play them, and of course I have to be in a situation where I'm comfortable, and then I could do that. So if I'm in the studio and I'm working in there, then I can go ahead and go back and play any other songs, but usually I just record them, and then I go on to the next one. So, and then when the music hits me, I just kind of go for it. So anyway, thank you for your time again, and I hope that explanation is a little bit of an insight into the world of an autistic mind. So here we go.
Of a world through a window, the view of the path was so clear. I wondered if I could reach through there. Was it possible to be so near? Another who knows what tomorrow brings? Another